Here is our country. Cherish these natural wonders. Cherish the natural resources. Cherish the history and romance as a sacred heritage for your children and your children's children. Here are some need to do to protect our Mother Nature.
In order to keep our surroundings clean, we begin by mowing our lawns. Here is where we start expressing our love for environment. Collaboration with community services, such as road or waterway cleaning to prevent flooding. Planting trees in the vicinity of mountains to prevent landslides. Picking up plastics in the environment is another way we show our appreciation for our Mother Nature, because these are items that can be reused, reduced, and recycled. We must also learn to distinguish between biodegradable, non-biodegradable, plastic, and canned waste.